Lock forming machines, as one of our flagship products, including representative LC10, LC12 and LC15 series, can process galvanized sheet with different thickness into various shapes. Normal lock formers can process galvanized sheet with thickness in the range of 0.5 to 1.5 millimeters, at most 2.0 millimeters. LC12 Doctor and LC15DR can process 6 kinds of profiles.
If customers need, we can design special machines to make special profiles.
The machine features in lightweight, so it is easy to move and suitable to be used at sites.